Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Especially since I'm not able to do the ladder work right now. This is keeping me active, giving me a reason to get up in the morning. Oh, that makes me happy. Nowhere near as good as I want it to be, but it's a heck of a lot better than it has been. Wonder what ARC-1 means. Some designation for some department. Seems like the longer this stuff sits on it, the easier it comes off. I wonder if I just put that over something like that and covered it over with some plastic, if that might not make it soften up. This towel's just about done. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to put a cover over the top of that and let it set. I'll go make lunch and back out and see how it looks.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.